Hello friends, welcome to our channel Tara Tutorials. In this video, I am going to explain you how to make the bootable pen drive. You have to make the bootable pen drive in a case when your operating system crashes, when your computer is not working properly, there is some issues with the system files of the operating system. In that case, you need to reinstall the copy of your operating system. So if your computer doesn't have the CD or DVD drive, in that case it is important to make the bootable pen drive. Well, to make a bootable pen drive, you need two things. First is a pen drive having a capacity of at least 8 GB or above. Preferably 16 GB will be a good idea. And second thing is you should have an ISO file of the operating system which you want to install in your computer. If you don't know how to download the ISO file of a Windows operating system, let it be Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1 or Windows 10, you can see our video which I have made already. You can learn how to download ISO file for any version of Windows without any protect key. Okay, so now let's start the video.
Welcome to Tara Tutorials. Our motto is learn everything with perfection. Thank you for watching Tara Tutorials.
So you have to open the browser and you have to download a tool. The name of the tool is Rufus. Type Rufus in the search bar and you can see the first website, rufus.in. Just click on this website and just go down and just go down. So as you can see that it is a utility software that helps you to format and create the bootable USB flash drive so that you can reinstall the operating system. Okay, so come down and here the first one, you can download the Rufus 3.9. The size is just 1.1 MB. Just click on this and automatically it starts downloaded. I have already downloaded this, so I will cancel it. Okay, so now what's the next? So go to your computer and go to download and here just double click on the Rufus software. Okay, now this kind of interface will open in your computer. Now if you have, now first off is to insert the pen drive in any of the USB port of your computer. I have already inserted, so you can see that it already detected and it is showing that the 16 GB pen drive is already inserted. Now, what is the next job? Next job is to select the ISO file. So I will click on the select and I will go to desktop, and this is the system image file of Windows 7 operating system. So I will select it and click on the open button. So now you can see here it has been showing here. Now the image option is what option you want Windows to go, so you have to select the standard Windows installation. Now here this is very important, partition scheme. If you have old laptop or old desktop having the previous version of motherboard, in that case you need to choose the MBR. Okay, and the target system will be BIOS UEEI-CSM. Okay, if you have a new that is a new version of motherboard or the new laptop with you, in that case you have to choose the GPT. Okay, now next job is here file system will be NTFS. No doubt is that before starting this process, you have to check the quick format checkbox and create the extended level and icon files. So these two options must be checked, and after that you need to create on the start button. Okay, so just create on the start button. I will click on this and it will give you a message that all data on the device will be erased. Okay, because it will be formatting the drive. Click OK and it will start creating the bootable pen drive. So it will take about say 5 minutes almost, and after 5 minutes your bootable pen drive is ready. You can directly insert this pen drive in a computer or laptop where you want to install the Windows operating system, and then select the boot option by pressing the F12 button, and you can select the drive option as USB.
Please like, subscribe and share. We'll get back with an interesting video soon. Thanks for watching again.